In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Calendly calendar, providing the full 2025 guide. Let's make sure you can easily access and manage your schedule through Calendly, ensuring a smooth experience for organizing your appointments. First, you'll want to navigate to Calendly. This is the starting point for accessing your calendar. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Calendly's website address. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important that you have access to your account settings and calendar features, so make sure you're logged in with either a Google account, Microsoft account, or the email link to your Calendly profile. Now, you'll find yourself on the home page. The home page is your dashboard where you can see a summary of your scheduled events and key details about your account. This is crucial for checking the overall status of your calendar and identifying any pending tasks or meetings that need your attention. Next, look for the availability section. This tab is usually located somewhere on your panel, likely on the side or along the top navigation bar. Clicking on availability is an essential step as it opens up vital settings for you to manage when you're free for appointments. It's a great tool for setting up your calendar to reflect exactly when clients or colleagues can book time with you. Once you've clicked on availability, direct your attention to the calendar section. This link or button should be visibly clear once you're on the availability page. Clicking on calendar will allow you to dive deeper into viewing specific dates and times that are either blocked out or open for scheduling. At this point, you're where you need to be to view your Calendly calendar. You can now see your entire schedule laid out. Here, you'll be able to view all your upcoming appointments, check for any possible overlaps, and also make quick adjustments if plans change. It's a good idea to regularly check this view, especially if you're relying on Calendly for managing professional commitments. This calendar view is designed to be user-friendly, and it offers you the ability to easily drag and drop events or modify settings as necessary. Take a moment to explore all the options available to you, such as filtering views by day, week, or month, and connecting other calendars like Google or Outlook for an even more integrated scheduling experience. That concludes our guide on how to view your Calendly calendar. Hopefully, this step-by-step approach helps you feel more in control of your time and ready to tackle your calendar management with confidence. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling!